Okay, we all know Tampa summer's hot, sticky, really take a toll on your glam and overall energy, but don't worry, our friend beauty expert Vicki Williams is back today sharing with us some of her favorite summer beauty refresh products. Just to have you in studio, I'm happy. It's been too long.
I know. It's been way too long. I know.
So good to see you. And you are looking fabulous. So what are you doing, Vicki? Help us out.
Well, I will say a lot of these things are really kind of things that really are based for Florida, but they're also on trend. So I like that, right? So first off, energy, you get the slump, the midday slump, and everyone's carrying around all these different kind of pick-me-ups in their purses. I found this product. I actually tried it. I used it. I loved it. This is Plexus Active. I love this. It's just one little thing, just like this.
Easy to travel with.
You drop it into a water, right? You take it. What's great about this, immunosupport. It's amazing. It has like this really clean energy supporting supplement. But what's great about it too is it has this peach mango flavor. Okay, I just want you to smell it.
Too.
I know we're not going to mix it, but I just want you to smell it, okay? It works on immunosupport, like I said. I love it too because it really creates like enhanced
smell the peach. I like that.
It's so good, and it's not like one of those ones that you put in and then it doesn't taste like anything. It actually has like a very good, a flavor to it. But what I like about it is the crashes aren't low because it's using green tea and it's using yerba mate, so natural sources of energy. So that's why I like it a lot.
Hey, you know what? Sometimes people maybe get some energy from the sun, but unfortunately there's certain skincare you're telling me no one should have on their skin when they're out in the sun. Here, Mickey, help us out.
I feel like Florida is very difficult to use retinols, and you have to kind of hide from the sun afterwards because of all the photosensitivity.
Yes.
But this product, I mean, is out of this world. Okay, first of all, this is Definage. This is their bioserum. It's 8 serums in one.
Oh, wow.
Okay, this is crazy because what they did, and this is clinically proven, study backed, what they proved is that this actually works to wake up dormant stem cells, and it makes them reactivate to create new skin. That is different from using a retinol, which would basically be damaging the skin and making the skin repair from the inside out. So there's no damaging, you don't have to hide from the sun. It's clinically proven, like I said, and what's great about it too is it works on pores, wrinkles, loss of texture. It's just a beautiful product. It's one of my favorites, and it's one of tons of awards.
I can't tell using retinol, my skin is more thin. Speaking of skincare, you were telling me this is kind of like skincare for the hair.
Oh my gosh, this just launched in spring. This is V&Co Beauty. They have something for everyone, for every hair type. They really want you to embrace your natural hair, and they want to build up your hair from the inside out. So waves are really big right now. The big hair, the better. Love this brand. This was actually from the Redmond family who launched all the Aussie products back in the day.
Yes.
Just launched this. I love it because it just won the Mary Claire Beauty Award. That's incredible for something that just launched. Everything is $8, but what this does is it infuses this proprietary peptide technology into your hair care. So it's almost like how you use peptides for skin. They're the biggest beauty buzzword. That's right there. It also has amino acids, proteins, vitamins, all in there infused into your hair to build it from the inside out. What's great about it is you're going to get bigger hair if you want the volume or the thickening. You can have straighter hair, but the best part about it, it's almost as if you're putting skincare on your hair and you're building the perfect strand, or the perfect follicle.
And with all the damage we do in TV, and I'm telling you, that's a good one.
And everything's $8. I said that right, because that's crazy.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
that's crazy. Okay, last but not least, something that if you pass me in traffic, you'll probably see. Okay. I'm always rocking the eye patches, but sometimes I have my complaints like they fall and things.
These are different. These are amazing. Okay, I love me an eye patch. I'm obsessed. These are Wise Beauty. These were created by Molly Sims, the supermodel. So if anybody has it, you know it. What I love about these are the overachieving eye masks. Okay. What's great about this is they have this incredible. Now I'm going to put it on.
Okay.
They're super small. They're super mighty. But what I love is they have this instant cooling effect.
Oh.
So you just put it right on.
And you're putting it on with makeup too, which I got to tell you, I feel like the ones I've been using, I can't have anything, which is really hard.
This little. Did I get it off? Nope. Anyway, it's hard to do without a mirror, ladies. But what I love about these instant cooling effect, they have this hydrogel. It's really cool because they have vitamin C, melatonin. They work on darkness. They work on puffiness.
Do they work on the puffiness? I got to tell these camera angles, I'm like, get back. My eye bags are showing. They're not working with the patches these days.
The best part is that they don't slip, and you know how important that is.
Yes,
so love that. WiseBeauty.com.
Well, good to see you.
Oh, good to see you.
Yes, yes.